What is up YouTube? So today I want to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A22 smartphone, and we have it right over here. This is the box. Doesn't say anything on the back side. So let's open this one up over here. This is how it looks like. Has a pretty nice weight to it. And the camera is obviously not the full size that you get on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but still pretty nice. And it's also nice here how you get the charging cable still with this device. Let's see if we can start it up. It's a pretty thick phone, I notice. With the button over here, it's pushing a little bit inwards, and then volume up and down keys. Let's go here with a quick setup. I think I'm just gonna skip this for now and set this up later. But yeah, quick unboxing here on the Samsung Galaxy A22.